sunshine. I am so incredibly excited to say here in my hands I finally have my Jeffree Star Cosmetics order. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get into this box. I have always wanted to buy parts of Jeffree Star collections. I've always wanted to be involved in like the super hype, the super excitedness of his collections. I love Jeffree Star. I love how he makes me feel. He makes me feel confident. He makes me feel just amazing about myself, and I love that recently he's been talking so much about mental health, and I have wanted to support him and buy from his collection for such a long time. Always felt bad for like going and buying makeup. I always felt bad for investing in it. I just wanted to take a second and say I cannot believe that I got the Jawbreaker. I didn't get the entire collection. I got bits and pieces from the Jawbreaker collection, but buying parts of that collection was literally, it made me feel like I was participating in the lottery. I literally like sat on my computer, phone, a tablet, my sister's computer and tablet, an hour before the collection even was launched, just constantly refreshing the pages in hopes that I would be able to get in and be able to buy a palette and a couple of other items from the collection. And 2 minutes before the collection was supposed to be released, everything went up. So I was like on there, and I was like, I just remember I was like full on freaking out. My sister was behind me and she was just watching, and at the end I was so joyous. The amount of joy that I felt was just, it was so thrilling to know that I had been able to be blessed enough to have this order, to have this confirmed, for my payment to go through. There were so many times that the website crashed. It was absolutely thrilling. And then the entire, like, I was so worried that it was gonna be sold out, and now that I actually finally have it here in my hands, I'm like, I feel so incredibly lucky. I feel so excited to be able to support a fellow YouTuber. I don't know, I'm so excited. I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get into this box. Okay, so let me just take a second to say I bought a highlighter from, I bought Diamond Wet. I bought some pieces. I bought some other pieces from older collections that I've been so excited to get and just never was able to convince myself to buy. So I kind of went a little bit outside of the Jawbreaker collection, but oh my gosh, it's finally here. Okay, so we have the plain white Jeffree Star tissue paper. I'm so sorry I just hit you guys. And here in my hands, here's everything. I don't know what to start with. I don't know what to pull out, but I'm just gonna go with this right here. Okay, so this is the Jawbreaker bundle. I'm so excited. I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna full on freak out for a minute. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's Jawbreaker and here's the mini breaker palette. Oh my gosh, okay. I am not gonna start screaming because I feel like I'm going to, but I'm gonna do my best to control myself. So it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so the Jawbreaker is in metallic. Okay, I believe it's actually here in my hands. Oh my goodness, okay. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I did not, honestly, I don't even know what I was expecting. Oh my gosh. That is seriously so beautiful, and not to mention I'm so excited that none of the pigments are shattered. Nothing is broken. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna do swatches just yet. I think I might wait till the end of the video to do swatches, but oh my God, look how beautiful it is. I love Gumdrop. Cotton Candy is so much prettier in person than I honestly thought it was going to be. Jawbreaker is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get into this palette, y'all. Okay, this is off to an amazing start. I wasn't expecting to be disappointed, but I wasn't expecting it to be like more beautiful than I thought it was going to be, so that was so thrilling. Okay, next I'm gonna look into the mini breaker palette. So I love the lime green packaging we have here. The mini breaker is raised, but it's just a matte white with like a green background to it. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to throw away any of the cartridges. Like, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, wait, I didn't even realize that. Wait, is that going on the... Oh, okay. So, like, on the mini breaker palette, all the, like, splatter paint is, like, metallic. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's gorgeous. But it doesn't really look that way. Like, this just looks, like, shiny, but not, like, metallic. Okay. The mini breaker palette. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Also, the mirrors are like really nice. They're like huge and super clear. But let's just, oh my gosh. Oral, okay, that one has definitely caught my attention. I never would have put purples and oranges together, but this is gonna work. This is gonna work. Oh my goodness. I am so thrilled, and I'm not even halfway through this box. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can't stop laughing. I'm so excited. This just came in, like, this is the tissue paper that it came in. This is blood sugar. I'm so excited. I can't, I'm sorry. Ooh, this is blood sugar. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so much bigger than I thought it was. Oh my gosh, okay, hold up. I always thought this was like wooden, but it's not. It's like that faux leather texture. This is huge. This is a massive palette. Oh my gosh, and then look at the little like suitcase flip up. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at the, oh, wait, okay. I feel like such a bad fan because I didn't even know this, but look, there's a needle in the red, and then there's like the medical symbol. I don't know what that's called, but in that purple. Oh my goodness. I feel so incredibly blessed right now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. Oh my god, how beautiful that is in person. Okay, so that's blood sugar. I keep ripping all the tissue paper, but here's alien. I only know that it's alien because of the alien tissue paper, but it's so amazing that after the collection that they're still wrapping everything in like the really fun tissue paper. Oh my gosh, wait, I really thought that I was going to be the most in love with blood sugar, but look at the packaging. Oh my gosh, look, it's like purple glitter, like obviously like kind of like galaxy. I'm going to turn down my ring light for a second so you guys can like just see how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. I am so in heaven right now. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, and it's got the same like material as the exterior of blood sugar. I don't even know how to express the joy that I feel right now. I'm just so, I feel like I'm at a loss for words because I didn't expect everything to be this beautiful in person, and there's so many colors to play with. Look at that, like, right, the first color that caught my attention was Moonrock and then Alien. That is so incredibly beautiful. We still have some more to go, so don't click off yet, but oh my goodness. Okay, I also ordered a gloss in Control Freak. There were a couple other colors that I wanted to get, but they were sold out. I love lip glosses. I love wearing lip glosses. Oh my goodness. Hold on. This is some extreme packaging. Look how beautiful that is. Hold on. I gotta turn my ring light down. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. This is a little bit different shade than I imagined it being in person. Like, it looked a little bit more sheer online and in swatches, but I know I will make it work. I already have lip gloss on, so I'm not gonna try it on just yet. I think we'll do swatches at the end, but I'm excited about this. It says 2 finishes, glitter fantasy and extreme shine, juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So, okay. The next thing that I bought is Christmas Cookie. I love the shade. I love the shade. It's so beautiful. And when I went to buy another one because I love the shade so much. I actually used up the entire bottle that I had bought, and it was sold out. So I'm so glad that he's bringing back some of his limited edition lipsticks. And then from the Jawbreaker collection, I also purchased Fully Nude, which looks like this. I love how neon this is. Like, it's so much brighter like in person than it's even showing up on camera, and I think it's really cute with how he has like the gold stars everywhere, but this is so bright. And here's what Fully Nude looks like. And then the last 2 things that I bought were Supreme Frosts. I got Wet Dream, and then from the Jawbreaker collection I also bought Diamond Wet, and oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I didn't remember that he was putting the lime green sticker on the back, but oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. It's time to turn on the ring light again. Oh my gosh, can you see how like reflective that is. It almost looks like metallic. Okay, all these little bumps in here, I always just thought they were like bumps, but they're actually little baby stars. They are so cute. I also did not know that the top of the packaging says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna swatch. Oh my gosh. I'm not even like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. That I literally have like nothing on my finger. Like I did not go in for a heavy duty swatch. Let's go in for heavy duty swatch now. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. I'm just gonna go back on top. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Let's see what Wet Dream is like. Okay, Diamond Wet, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then here is Wet Dream, which is a little bit more of a gold shade. And I'm just gonna go in for a heavy duty swatch for this one. Oh my goodness. I love that. These are so incredibly reflective. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I have decided that I am not gonna do swatches because each palette deserves its own individual like moment to shine. And since I bought 4 palettes, I don't think that I can do each palette like individually its own justice. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a makeup tutorial / review for each individual palette on my channel. That's everything that I ordered from Jeffree Star Cosmetics from his Jawbreaker collection. I'm so way more impressed than I thought I was going to be. Like I had high expectations, and with that I was like, okay, like I have high expectations and he's not gonna surpass them, and everything that I received 100% surpassed all of the expectations that I had, and I feel so grateful to even be a part of being able to like buy this collection. I feel so excited to get in. I feel inspired to play with new makeup. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so incredibly much, and I'll see you in my next video.